there, investors! Ready to find out which robo-advisor is best for your money? Stick around because today, I'm diving into the ultimate showdown, Betterment versus Wealthfront. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your special offer. All right, let's kick things off with Betterment. Founded in 2008, Betterment was one of the first robo-advisors on the scene. It's like the granddaddy of robo-investing, but don't let that fool you. Betterment is still pretty hip. They offer personalized financial advice, tax-efficient investing, and automatic rebalancing. Plus, their mobile app is super user-friendly. You can track your goals, manage your portfolio, and even get a financial plan, all from your smartphone. Now, let's talk about fees. Betterment charges 0.25% annually for their digital plan and 0.40% for their premium plan, which includes unlimited access to financial advisors. Not too shabby, right? But what about Wealthfront? Well, Wealthfront, founded in 2011, is the cool, tech-savvy cousin in the Robo-Advisor family. They're all about automation. From tax loss harvesting to direct indexing, Wealthfront's got some fancy tools to optimize your investments. And their Path financial planning tool, it's like having a mini financial advisor in your pocket. Fees? Wealthfront charges a flat 0.25% annual fee. Simple and straightforward. So how do these two stack up against each other? Betterment's strength lies in its personalized approach and access to human financial advisors, which can be a huge plus if you like that human touch. On the flip side, Wealthfront shines with its state-of-the-art automation and a wide range of advanced features. But let's be real for a second. Both Betterment and Wealthfront are solid choices and will help you grow your money passively. It really comes down to personal preference, whether you want a bit more human interaction or you're all about that tech life. So which one is right for you? That's for you to decide. Head on over to the links in the description below to get your special offer and start investing smarter today. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Until next time, happy investing!